What's the rarest block in animal company? Some might say the broomstick, but that's not the rarest thing ever. In animal company, some might say the laser. Absolutely not. Or even some people say, people might think that the rarest item in animal company is, it's not even an item, some people might think. It might be a cosmetic, like the duck hat, for example. But no, the rarest item in animal company is the wicked broom. But hold on, my arm. April Fool's. But I know I'm sorry for that.